Did Brad Pitt steal Angelina Jolie's home? Actor claims ex violated his rights amid shocking Château Miraval war. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt's bitter legal battle over their French estate, Château Miraval, has escalated again as both stars trade accusations of betrayal, rights violations, and emotional manipulation. Brad Pitt has accused Angelina Jolie of violating his rights in their long-running Château Miraval lawsuit, reigniting one of Hollywood's most bitter property wars. Court filings from October 2025 reveal new allegations of financial misconduct surrounding the French estate once shared by the former couple. The once romantic Provence chateau, where they married in 2014, has now become a battleground of legal claims and broken trust. Jolie's claims: "He robbed me of my home." According to legal filings obtained by Star magazine, Jolie accuses Pitt of robbing her of her home and silencing her voice. She alleges he tried to coerce her into signing a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, preventing her from speaking about alleged abusive behavior in exchange for approving the sale of her Miraval stake. He was trying to make her give up her voice, Jolie's representatives reportedly said. She also claims Pitt misused company funds tied to the winery and cut her out of critical business decisions. Despite investing millions, Jolie insists she hasn't returned to Miraval since 2016, calling it synonymous with trauma. The property in dispute, Château Miraval in Provence, southern France, served as the couple's wedding venue in 2014 and was once a symbol of their family life. Jolie now calls the estate synonymous with so much trauma. Pitt's response: Jolie broke a legal agreement. According to Pitt's lawyers, Jolie's accusations distort the facts. They argue that she violated a standing agreement by selling her Miraval shares to Russian billionaire Yuri Shefler in 2021 without consulting Pitt. His team insists the transaction breached Pitt's contractual and property rights. A spokesperson for Pitt described Jolie's latest filing as filled with noise and irrelevance, adding that her sale jeopardized the business's integrity. The transaction was unlawful and detrimental to the brand, his lawyers said, while stressing that Shefler's alleged ties to Russian state interests, which Shefler denies, posed reputational risks. Legal showdown in French and U.S. courts. The Château Miraval battle has now evolved into an international legal crossfire. French courts are examining whether Jolie's sale to Shefler was legitimate under French corporate law, while Pitt's company, Mondo Bongo, seeks damages in a parallel U.S. action. Analysts say the case intertwines divorce law, business law, and emotional trauma, making settlement difficult. The feud's outcome could redefine celebrity property rights and influence future international divorce rulings. Beyond the courtroom, a symbol of loss and control. For Jolie, Miraval represents the collapse of her marriage and autonomy. Friends close to her told People that she's fighting not just for money, but for her right to exist without control. For Pitt, the chateau remains a passion project and legacy brand, producing award-winning Rose and housing a recording studio once used by Pink Floyd. The emotional undercurrent runs deep. What began as a shared dream is now a global legal spectacle watched by millions. Conclusion: the Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie Château Miraval lawsuit shows no sign of slowing. Both sides accuse each other of betrayal and legal breaches, while the world watches a love story transformed into litigation.